The question says 0.45 gram of an acid. Okay, molecular weight of the acid is given. Unknown acid is there. Chemical formula is not given there. What kind of acid is there? There is no any information. Okay, but its molecular weight is given here. 90. Was exactly neutralized by 20 ml of 0.5 molar NaOH. Strong base is there. Okay, so acid base reaction is taking place, means neutralization reaction taking place. Okay, question says basicity of the given acid, means we have to calculate and factor value for the acid. Okay, so it's very simple concept. The two substances are there and we can equate their molecules. Molecules of acid is equal to molecules of sodium hydroxide. Okay, so the concept we are going to use to answer this question, we have number of molecules of acid is equal to number of molecules of sodium hydroxide is there, and the formula of molecules we use based on the data provided. Okay, mass is given there. From the mass we can calculate the moles, because molar mass of the acid is given already. Okay, so when we apply the molecules formula for the acid, then I will use the formula moles millimoles multiplied by n factor value. Keep in mind, the formula of molecules is number of milli equivalence is equal to, we have millimoles, very interesting, multiplied by n factor is there. Okay, and next, if the molarity is given there, then we use the formula molarity multiplied by volume in ml and multiplied by n factor is there. This is the formula we have. Very interesting. Okay, so in case of sodium hydroxide, I will use this formula. Okay, and in case of acid, I will use this formula, because based on the data provided we use the formula millimoles, because we can get the moles of acid. Okay, so let me write here millimoles, and always keep in mind millimoles, 1 millimole is equal to 1000 multiplied by mole. We have 1000, directly I am writing 1000 multiplied by mole. Okay, and this portion is equal to what? Millimole. Okay, multiplied by n factor value. This is what we have to calculate. It will give us the basicity of the acid is equal to number of molecules of sodium hydroxide. Since you can see volume is given there, molarity is given there, I will use this formula. Okay, molarity how much? 0.5. We have 0.5 multiplied by volume, it is 20 ml. And what is the n factor value for the sodium hydroxide? Number of OH. How many OH are there? OH only 1. Then we can say n factor value is what? 1. For the bases we always calculate and the number of OH present in the base, and that is the n factor value. Okay, ready. We have moles. A moles can be calculated for the acid. Okay, pay attention carefully. Mass is given here and molecular mass is also given there. So mole is equal to mass by molar mass. So in this place I can put mass by molar mass. Then we have 1000 multiplied by mass by molar mass. Okay, mole is equal to mass by molar mass. Mass is what? 0.45 and molar mass is what? 90 is there, 90, and multiplied by n factor, and is equal to, here we have 0.5 multiplied by 20 is there. Okay, simplify. Okay, so now in this case, if I remove this decimal, 20 will be eliminated. Okay, 45 2s are 90 is there, 2 5s are 10 is there, 5. Okay, and in this case, if you remove this decimal, this 0 will be eliminated, then 5 will cancel, then what is left? Exactly only 2 is there. Then we got n factor value, that is 2 is there. Dibasic acid is there. Okay, dibasic. Basicity of the given acid is what? 2. Option B is correct. Okay, option B is correct.